Hello guys, welcome to Bike Talk. In today's video we will be talking about the Wi-Fi Bluetooth PC adapter, which is from the TP-Link. We will unbox it and we will also talk about the TP-Link's USB Wi-Fi, which one is better. So as I have earlier used the USB one, but it was frequently getting disconnected, so the performance was not up to the mark. So that's why I bought this TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 Bluetooth 5.2. So the good thing about this is, like, I will show you. So as you can see here, it's a Wi-Fi 6 enabled, so it has the capacity of around 1200 Mbps transfer rate. And also the one good thing, who usually uses the gaming PC who has the low profile bracket, so they do provide the low profile bracket as well. So that's the good thing about it. Okay, yeah, so let's unbox it. What's in the box? Let's see. So okay, so you got the CD, so this must be for the drivers if you want to install. So don't worry if you don't have any CD drive, so you can install it. Yeah, you will need it, because if you don't have Wi-Fi, so either you have to connect it to other Wi-Fi source to download it, or take it into the USB. And this is the user manual for installation and all. So I think mostly installation steps should be easy. So it comes with the Bluetooth USB cable, and we just need to install it into the PC driver. So just make sure whenever you are installing, your power is turned off completely. So what's in the box? So these are the two places. So one is your manual, CD drive, and here comes your TP-Link PC adapter. So this is pretty solid. So yeah, it's already attached to the high profile bracket, so I can see that. But yeah, in case you have another slot which doesn't have that, so you can install it into this low profile bracket. But this will need some tools at least, because you will need to remove these two screws, this back two screws, and again fit them this to that. So you might need those screwdrivers, which is not provided in this. But yeah, so this is the antenna for that, and this is the second antenna for that. Okay, let's go and do the installation. As earlier I was discussing, we'll do the comparison well. So this is the USB Wi-Fi which I purchased earlier. So this is that one. It's pretty quick, so you just need to install it. This also comes with the CD for installing your driver. But the problem with this USB Wi-Fi is it will get frequent disconnection, as I have seen that I have used for around 15 days, and whether the VPN, normal internet, it was getting frequently disconnected, and you need to reconnect. Sometimes you need to remove it, plug it again. So yeah, it's from the TP-Link, but it was not working as expected. But yeah, so this AX100 has very good reviews, so let's see how it goes. So I'll show you. So basically this adapter comes with this cable, so which you already need to fix. So one side I already fixed. If you see here, let me zoom it and show you. It's into the USB. I already fixed it. So next part we will install it now. So next part is basically your actually the PCI card. So this one, so you can see the PC adapter here. So just need to install it right there. So once you install it, you can see that you just need to little bit push it, and once you push it, so yeah, so just push from this side and this one. So yeah, there we go. You can see that this got installed properly. So now the next thing is basically you just need to put your antennas here. So yeah, let's go. second antenna. Just tight it little bit. Yeah, so there we go. And yeah, last thing is about putting this cable into that slot. So there we go, we just put it into inside this slot. So once you install, this is how it will look like. Yeah, so I just antenna kept on this side so that my Wi-Fi is on behind me, so that's why I just angle my antenna in this way, so you can see. So just one thing guys, to tell you, like the mistake that I did. So first I put this adapter first and then try to plug this cable, but that was a little bit trickier. But I will tell you, first just plug this cable on the USB side, then plug this cable to the PCI adapter, and once that is done, then only put this adapter into the slot, and last part is to installing the antenna. So let's turn on the PC and check how it goes. So guys, you just need to install the drivers from this CD. So once you install the driver successfully, just connect to your internet, and I will just show you the performance also. Currently my internet speed is around, I think, 50 to 100 Mbps something. So let's do the test my speed. Okay, it's pretty fast. So yeah, here we go. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video.